12 tricks, how to attract and impress husband in bed. Sex definitely doesn't have to get boring and predictable after marriage. Open up and talk to your partner about what you desire. Remember, communication is the key which can keep your sex life and marriage strong and healthy. Let me give you a few more quick tips to seduce him. 1. Lingerie. Choose sexy lingerie that accentuates your body type. 2. His color. Choose his favorite color which will make you look a sexy diva which your husband will desire. His apparel. Try wearing his shirt on top of it. There is nothing sexier for a man to see his gorgeous wife in his own clothes. 4. Dirty talks. Whisper dirty things in his ears and he is sure to get excited. Write imaginary words on your husband's body by using your fingers. These acts will make your husband drive crazy. 5. Groom. Pamper your skin and tone it with aromatic non-sticky essential oils. 5. This will make the skin smell good and look smooth, soft and shiny. 6. Flirting. Flirt with your hubby and rekindle the excitement of the initial days when you both met. 6. Men find all this very seductive. 7. Moods. Foreplay sets the foundation for an exciting session of steamy sex. 7. Make sure you invest enough time in it which will help you in setting your mood right. 8. Stripping. Strip for your man. 8. Put a piece of nice peppy music in the background. 8. Remove one cloth at a time while you maintain eye contact with him. 9. Take charge. Take control and tie your man up. 9. If you want to know how to attract a husband in bed, just follow this idea. 9. Some husbands get excited to see their women taking charge of the situations. 9. Use some silky ribbons or scarf to tie him to bed. 9. Make sure that it doesn't hurt him and he is comfortable. 10. Porn movies. Watching porn together is the best attempt to spice up things. 10. Try to imitate those moves and give him a virtual treat. 11. Take it slow. Sex is not to be finished fast. 11. There is no possibility that you can feel good and satisfied with a quickie. 11. You must enjoy the act. 12. Options. Explore the option of sex toys and share your wild fantasies with each other. How to impress husband in bed at night. You must be aware of his soft points and how to touch him. Man can get turned on if you touch him at below mentioned places. 1. Neck. Kiss on the front or back of your husband's neck. 1. It is a sensitive area and can arouse him. 2. Ear. It is one of the sensitive areas which go unnoticed. 2. Kiss on his ears seductively or whisper something naughty. 2. You can also slightly bite his ear lobe or just have a deep breath. 2. It will drive him crazy. 3. Back. Massage his back seductively with aromatic oil. 3. It will make sure to relax and get in the mood. 3. Kiss his back while you massage him. 4. Chest. Stoke and play with his chest hair. 5. Butt. Massage his butt once you are done, starting with his shoulder massage. 5. Or just smack on it. 6. Foot. Foot massage can relax him and get rid of all his tiredness of the day. 7. Inner thigh. Make sure to explore the area around his sex organ to arouse him and get into the mood. Remember that physical attraction towards each other is very essential in marriage. Marriages last longer and both partners are happy and satisfied in the marriage. This happens when the spouses are attracted to each other. You must feel bold and confident to initiate the act, so make sure you take care of yourselves. Don't get lost in the whirlpool of looking after your home, raising kids, finishing household chores, etc. Hope you liked our tips on how to impress husband on the bed at night.